Sa pagdiriwang ng Small Business Month sa Canada, kaunting ginhawa para sa small business owners at mga empleyado nila ang inanunsyo ng federal government. Ang reaksyon ng ilang negosyo sa report ni Paula Saraza.
We actually had to minimize the amount of credit cards that we took here at the restaurant just because of how high the fees were. So we really appreciate that now that they're going down, we can be able to roll that back into the way we process things.
Kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng Small Business Month sa Canada, isang anunsyo mula kay Minister of Small Business Rechi Valdez Biyernes. Simula October 19 ngayong taon, mas mababa na ang sisingiling fee sa mga negosyo sa bawat transaksyong gamit ang credit card. Ito matapos ang bagong kasunduan ng federal government sa Visa at MasterCard.
For consumers, wherever we go and purchase our products, we're no longer using cash. We're always usually tapping our credit cards or tapping our phone to make purchases. But for a small business owner, there's interchange fees that they are charged at the back end. And so, as I said, we have lowered those interchange credit card fees for Visa and MasterCard by up to 27%.
Sa isang local business sa Mississauga, ibinahagi ni Valdez ang mga suportang aasahan ng small business owners ngayong taon. Mga hakbang na anya mahalaga para sa tagumpay ng bawat negosyo.
They continue to tell me how expensive with the rising cost is. These measures are really there to help support small businesses.
Kaunting ginhawa naman para sa mga empleyado ang hatid ng bagong carbon rebate. Rebate na aabot hanggang $4,000 ang ilalaan para sa mga negosyong may 10 staff. Mahigit 20,000 para sa mga tindahang aabot sa 50 ang empleyado. At lagpas $200 na rebate sa mga small business na may 499 employees.
This is $2.5 billion going out to approximately 600,000 small businesses. That's a $401 per employee. So as long as you filed your taxes by July 15th, those Canada Carbon rebates will be coming out to small businesses by the end of this year in December.
Sa kabila ng mga suporta ng Feds, aminado si Valdez sa isyung hinaharap ng mga negosyo. Ngayong naghigpit na ang bansa sa pagtanggap ng temporary foreign workers. Kinikilala ng gobyerno ang kontribusyon ng mga TFW, pero idiniin ang pangangailangan ng balanse at patas na labor market.
We've always indicated that we would, increase or decrease temporary foreign workers through based on the labor market. And right now, there are many young people, students, who are not able to find jobs. And in fact, 6.2% is the unemployment rate at this time. I'm really encouraging, given it is also a small business month, that small businesses try to find employment through young Canadians who are out there who are actually looking for jobs today.
Ang anunsyong mas mababang credit card transaction fees at bagong carbon rebate para sa mga maliliit na negosyo, layon daw makapanghimok pa ng mga nais pasukin ang business industry. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Mississauga.